right, y'all. We are back. Part 2 of our scandal discussion. It was supposed to be round table, but we got this, rectangle table going on right now. But we're still digging into scandal. So right now we're going to play a little game of Would You Rather. So, would you rather? Who would you rather have on your team, Hook or Cyrus?
Hook.
Cyrus.
Cyrus.
I'm with y'all. I got to go with Cyrus because Cyrus is cutthroat.
He is.
He
is.
just
Now, Huck will kill him and be done with it.
right.
Yeah, but
Yes.
The reason why I say I'm a person about action, not words, and that's all that Cyrus does is talk and put stuff together and panic and do this and we gotta fix it. And then I think that he really was trying to kill not only his wife but Olivia at one point.
You think so?
Yes, I do, and that's why.
I'm not trying to kill him.
Yeah, wife, husband,
They had an argument. Hollis
and anytime that you let somebody almost walk into the front door of the courtroom and the killer is right behind you, I have no respect for you.
Yes.
And you say at the 10th hour, the 9th hour, you say, oh,
Just
don't do it. So I have no respect because Huck is loyal.
I love it.
He loyal to the end. He's loyal to the end.
Okay, but that didn't make Cyrus any less loyal. He didn't want his husband dead. He was going to, but Cyrus is a man who believes in getting it done by any means necessary.
Right.
But to kill, like the thing is, no women and children, and I'm sure spouse should be included in that somewhere. Come on.
Not one man like Cyrus.
Right.
Now,
Not
we got the president's finna
To me, anytime a man puts his job before his spouse, I
President of the United States.
it doesn't matter.
There are,
I don't- it doesn't
but
matter.
okay, really, are we really talking about morals here? Are we really talking about morals?
We talking about
Most out the door.
Right.
Comes
But you're right though. Hook will cut you to pieces, put you in the bag, and toss you out with the trash.
Y'all see how happy he was when he was killing him?
Yes.
But in order to make sure his kids and his wife were not killed, he let them go.
Right.
So that's a man.
He forgot about that. What you mean? Let him go. She forgot
He's not a man.
That's what you mean.
He walked away. He
forgot about his family.
He said he didn't know if it was
Wait.
He didn't forget about
He
it.
didn't forget either. He was tortured for years.
I think that was
And then
another
he
thing.
forgot. He
I
forgot
think
He
he
didn't
wanted
forget.
to
It was
forget.
self-personation.
He wanted to try to forget,
But
but
he
he would have
couldn't.
to hurt. So exactly, I think he wanted to try.
But Cyrus said, forget that. I want my job. So anytime a man puts that before his family, I can't.
Then you're done.
I don't want him on my team because I'll be next. How can you
That
trust?
is true.
How can you trust somebody who's gonna kill his?
About morals here.
I mean, but like, why would you want somebody who would kill somebody they supposedly love to be on your team? Because if they're on your team, then you supposed to always be on my team. Not be like, you know what? I think something wrong with her. Let's just go and kill her.
Right.
I don't like her no more.
I see what you. I see
He's
what
not
you're saying.
that drastic.
I see
Yes,
what you're saying. I think he is. But we're gonna move on to a lighter note now. As far as girls' night out, who would you rather hang with, Abby or Quinn?
Abby.
Really?
Abby.
Queen,
Like,
I'm quirky.
I'm with Abby
I
too.
just
Queen was in there
I cannot
crying, trying to figure out something on her phone.
I
the whole
can't
night.
hang
I
with
can't
Queen.
Abby is a
I can't hang with Quinn.
Abby, like, she can drink, she can have fun, she can go and dance, she can mingle. Queen will be sitting up there like, do we know any of these people?
Right.
and that's me. I'm like, who's
Yes. You,
See,
what about you, Nina? Who would you rather hang with?
Olivia. Melly.
You know,
Neither Abby nor Queen. I smack both of them. Get a grip. Shut up. Move on.
Yes.
What?
Okay. Now, we're gonna move on to the next one.
That's what I
It's
said.
an
Abby. I would definitely hang with Abby.
How? What?
Abby is cool. She's cool.
She's fun.
crazy.
She's fun after work. After work, though.
Yes.
Just think about her after work. Queen would be always work. Abby would be like, you know what? Let's take this little red hair down. Let's have a good time.
Exactly.
I don't know.
He is.
I'm with it. Because I need to enjoy, but yeah, I can't see Queen. Okay, now, who would you rather go on a date with? Jake or Harrison?
Jake is a creep.
Fun.
I don't know why you put him in there.
I
Jake
like
is a creep.
Jake.
Jake is cute,
I
but
like
Harrison
Jake.
is fun.
I like
Jesus.
Jake.
Yeah,
Jake is
Harrison is so sexy.
I don't care if it's the same gray suit every week. He still gonna look nice.
But I love him. I love Columbus shorts and stomp the yard.
Yes,
So
me
I mean,
too.
yeah.
I think
And Harrison is loyal too. I like that about him because he's like, I'm with you, Olivia.
He's
I don't
loyal
know.
to Olivia.
I don't trust
But he told Abby, damn, he broke Abby and.
But he did it for.
It was
Olivia.
for Olivia.
Olivia.
Exactly.
For
And that was where his loyalty is. That's where
Yes,
his
where his
loyalty
lies,
is.
yeah.
And we still don't know what his backstory is.
And
So
we
that's
need-
why-
Something's up with
I know he went to jail, but that's all we know. That he
His
went to jail.
backstory is going to be
He
very
gonna get like
interesting.
one day.
And got out.
Huck even looks like you
Right.
didn't go to jail, dude.
No, that wasn't Jeffrey. But no, I like Jake. I think Jake is. I know you think he's a creep.
I think he's very. I think he's very charismatic.
Yes,
He is
that's what I
charismatic.
like.
Yeah.
I like.
He's
that.
a very close second, but it would be Harrison. He's
Right.
a very close second.
Yeah, we say Harrison.
Okay, now y'all say Harrison, I say Jake. So we're gonna do this. Who's your favorite Scandal character? We're gonna start with you, Nina.
Cyrus.
Cyrus. So what? Now why Cyrus?
I love Olivia. Don't misunderstand me. But baby, toe
Miss
to toe.
Cyrus.
Cyrus will get it done.
Yes.
He might stroke out in the meantime, but Cyrus is my dude.
Right.
Cyrus is a bad man.
Right.
And he can come up with some one-liners that have you going like this.
Yeah.
And he
he's still
asked
not so
He
fast.
asked that woman was her vagina apolitical. I'm talking about what? He said something right there, baby. That was the line of the
Yes.
season.
Look at the century.
Gotta
That
love
was
Cyrus.
it.
Gotta
That
love
was it.
Cyrus.
Cyrus
He
is
said,
my
are you
guy.
done? Or you have everything done? Cyrus.
Okay, Kim, what about you? Who's your favorite?
Olivia, hands
Olivia.
down. Yes, I love that she is.
The boss.
She's the boss. But then when it comes to Fitz, she's all vulnerable and
She's a wuss.
She see how happy she was in this episode.
Oh, she's
so sweet.
This baby.
I cannot believe y'all.
Precious.
She was blushing on the episode.
She was so
She was.
happy.
She was.
We never seen her that happy.
For a moment.
Right. Okay,
I
now.
don't
I
think
actually
I
have a
want
tie.
that.
I have a tie for my favorite characters.
Okay.
I mean, I know y'all gonna be like, what?
Maybe
But
not.
I like the fact that she is like, you know what? This is my man. I'm gonna keep him. I like Melly. I like Melly.
That's who I was going with.
she is.
I respect her. I think more than anything
Right.
because that is at the end of the day her husband.
That's right.
Yeah.
Whether they got married on a false pretense or what, that's her husband. But I also love Harrison because he's loyal to Olivia and he holds a lot.
Right.
I mean, he even when he said that stuff to Huck, like all I did was talk, and that's all I was made of. I've never been in a fight in my life, and to say that to another man, that just to me was like, oh, I love him. Yeah, he was still saying 752,
But he handed Olivia her tail last night. She handed it back to him now,
She did,
but he told her.
Yeah.
He told her.
He
Yes, he
said,
did.
she said,
you
nah,
are
you ain't
fine.
finna. She said,
She's like,
nah, but you ain't finna.
Right.
You ain't come to me like that.
Right, she still didn't give it
She's
up.
like
She's
denying stuff,
She
though.
do,
She
she
is.
do. But yeah, but Millie is. I think with Millie, I don't think the show would be the same without her.
Without her.
I
a bad
agree.
woman.
She is.
Yes,
She
yes.
is.
I think I love to hate
She
her.
is.
Is how it
Exactly,
is.
yeah.
I love for her to get under my
Ooh,
skin.
when I
Yeah.
love to see her on the screen because I know something
Something
crazy
crazy
about
gonna
that.
happen.
Yes.
And when she came back from that baby, them 3 months when the baby was like 5, and
Yeah.
when she came back, her little cute little shave, I said, oh, she's
Yes.
about to
Oh,
get
yeah.
this back. And
Yes.
she was almost there, but then she went and did that little
Yeah.
phone call on and he was like, what did you
She
do?
wouldn't
Yes,
get Fitz back. That
She was
not-
on there because he was so anti-Olivia. He was
At the
in his
time,
mind.
Let me tell you why that was so.
What happened?
Because he killed Verna and he thought that Olivia wouldn't want him. So he ran back to the person who would not judge him,
Right.
which is Millie.
Right.
And when you see when they kiss, oh my goodness! When you see when he kissed her and said we're in this together.
He did that because of defiance, I thought. He
No,
know.
he walked away from
Because of the, he
No,
thought
the
out of
reason-
everybody.
the reason that he no longer wanted to be with Olivia is because he felt like Olivia was the very last person that believed in him.
That is true.
That didn't
When he
have
found
nothing
out
to do
about
with Verna.
Defiance.
When he found
I
out,
think it does have to do with both of them though. Defiance
Lord.
and Verna.
I don't think it had anything to do with
Okay.
Verna.
Yeah, I
I thought it had to do
it
with
didn't have nothing to do with Verna. No,
Because
that was simply
how
about
does anybody
you
know that he
didn't
killed
believe
Okay,
in
so
him.
why when he called Cyrus and he said, "Will she forgive me?" The whole thing.
Because he talked so bad to her and treated her
No,
so
he was
bad.
talking about Verna, about him killing Verna.
No, nobody knows that.
Here.
Nobody even knows that he killed
Right.
Verna.
And I
They
don't
think
think
she
he
just
feels
He
died.
said he was talking to Cyrus on the phone. Like two
Right.
No, he said, "Do you think
episodes
she
ago.
will ever forgive me?" Because he treated her
Yeah,
bad.
no, he
ignored
said,
her.
I killed Verna. Will she forgive me? And then Cyrus said, we don't tell our spouses
Right.
about things like that.
So nobody knows.
Right.
So I think it's just because I think really is because of defiance. Out of
Oh,
everybody,
Yeah,
I thought you were the last person
right.
to believe
That
me.
was-
He said even even Olivia.
Right.
That was the
That just
question.
tore him
Yeah,
up.
I agree with that. I agree with
Because he know
that.
Melly
I
was
don't-
gonna do it. She Melly just power
Yeah.
on her.
So exactly. So why did he go to Millie then? If she was
Because
part of
this
the
is why.
client,
Yeah, she was just
What?
there. I think she was just.
She was pregnant.
She was
I think, you know what?
Yeah.
I thought this lady was rotted out. She's not rotted out, so I'm gonna be my wife.
Let me go and do what I should have been doing.
Right, let me just deal with what I got.
I just
at
totally agree
home.
with all that.
Okay, well, we are going to wrap up this discussion. It's been good. I've enjoyed you, ladies. I wish we could talk for another 2 hours about it because we could, but we're going to give Nina her time to shine. She's got a lot going on with Scandal. Go ahead and tell us about it, Nina.
We have a scandal party that's going on this coming Thursday night for the season finale at Memories Banquet Hall and Event Center. Myron Mays is our host. Felicia Bean Catering and Creative Solutions, which is my company, are sponsoring the event. And 103.5 Myron Mays, the whole nine. It's going to be a great night. Come out and join us. $10 admission, free food, drink, and we're going to have a scandal good time. Adult beverage.
All
All right,
right.
man. See? Got to get to her scandal party. It's going to be a good time. So
7:30.
7:30.
To 10:30.
Memories Banquet Hall. Don't forget it. This Thursday. Check her out. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.